This video is created by the uploader, using artificial intelligence, and is AI generated.
This Land Rover is presented as found. It has not been cleaned or altered in any way.
This corrosion is quite extensive.
Here she is, left to rust, a long way from home.
Okay, so we're looking at this old Land Rover. You can see the panel damage here, pretty significant. Look how weak the surface is.
All right, that should cover it. She's all yours now. Almost ready to load it up.
Slowly now, nice and easy. She's moving. And here she is, safely in the workshop.
And here we have the full team, ready for the restoration.
Okay, chassis integrity, check. Axle alignment within tolerance.
Starting the initial cleaning phase. And now the foam has achieved full surface coverage.
You can see just how much dirt and grime has accumulated on these wheels over the years.
Got it, that's one. Quite a bit of decay in here. The seats are torn, rust on the frames and floor.
And the seats are out. Significant weakness here. Extensive corrosion throughout this section. Masking off all the original paint that we're trying to save. Protect these edges.
Active rust removal has now begun.
There we go, clean structural metal successfully exposed. Okay, the interior is now fully cleaned and prepped for the next stage. Okay.
These cleaned sections are now being inspected and evaluated for the next restoration steps.
All required tools are prepared, and restoration work is ready to proceed.
All right, that concludes this phase. She's resting now.
Exterior panel removal is underway as part of the deep restoration phase.
Here you can see some surface rust on the outrigger. The main rail itself still feels pretty solid.
Accumulated dirt and grease is being removed, fully revealing the chassis condition.
Full body to chassis separation is in progress.
Severely rusted chassis material is being permanently removed to restore structural integrity.
The replacement steel is being aligned for precise chassis repair.
These steel patches are now permanently bonded into the chassis structure.
Welds are being leveled to restore proper chassis surface integrity.
Corrosion protection is being applied to preserve the chassis long term.
Full paint coverage achieved across the chassis.
The wear on these original suspension components is quite evident.
That's perfectly aligned. Now let's secure these components.
The brake lines are securely routed and protected. The fuel lines have been fully replaced and secured for reliable operation.
We're getting that grease and grime off now, revealing the original metal. Ready for a closer look.
Obvious wear around the main bearing journals. We'll need to mic these carefully. We have a good seal. That should prevent any leaks.
We're finishing the engine block to original factory specification, ensuring correctness and restraint.
The gear housing's in good condition. Ready for a closer look. Just a little more. Perfect alignment.
Correct fitment, improved alignment, precision and control. The surface is becoming increasingly uniform. It's almost ready for the next stage.
The surface is fully prepped and ready for paint.
The midnight green is a perfect match to the factory specification.
And there we have it. The core mechanical rebuild is complete. She's ready for paint, confirming complete dust and residue removal. Surface is now perfectly prepped.
You can see the evenness and uniformity of coverage.
Another layer applied, building up that deep, rich midnight green. Perfect coverage.
The clear coat is sealing the paint and providing long-term gloss protection.
The paint is entering its curing stage and stabilizing properly.
Absolutely flawless. The midnight green has cured perfectly, a deep, rich gloss.
And as we wet sand, you can see the surface becoming incredibly smooth, leveling out any minor imperfections.
The deep, consistent shine and final clarity are emerging.
Final clarity and refinement of the finish.
All right, the windshield is perfectly in place. Good seal all around. Perfect, that's factory accurate positioning right there. Okay, that looks perfectly aligned. The original badge is now securely in place.
Every surface meticulously cleaned. The cabin is spotless and ready.
All right, let's get these toggles in. That's a good clean click.
Steering wheel centered and secure. Ready for the road.
And these floor mats fit perfectly, providing excellent coverage and a secure seating.
All right, that's 75 foot-pounds. Wheel installation complete.
Correct stance and ride height. Lift phase complete.
Okay, first start, clean and smooth.
You can hear that engine. It's just purring like a kitten. Stable and smooth.
Absolutely flawless. Not a single imperfection in sight.
Every panel, every detail brought back to life. A true restoration. Timeless. Complete. Ready for a new journey.